Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download BuzzSumo content insights for backlink outreach, full guide step by step clearly. To begin with, open your preferred web browser. Navigate to the BuzzSumo website. If you don't have an account, create one by clicking on the sign up button. If you already have an account, simply log in with your credentials. Once logged in, locate the search bar at the top of the page. Enter a relevant keyword or topic for which you want to gather content insights. Click the search icon to display the results. You'll see a list of articles related to your search term. Here, you will find various content metrics, including engagement statistics. To get a comprehensive view, click on a specific article title. Review the content metrics such as shares and backlinks for this article. To download the data, return to the main search results page. Look for the export or download button usually found near the top right corner. Click on this button to generate a downloadable file. You'll typically have the option to export data in formats such as CSV or Excel. Choose your preferred format and confirm the export. The file will be prepared and made available for download shortly. Once the export is complete, click on the download link. Save the file to your desired location on your computer. Open the file using your preferred spreadsheet application. Now, you can analyze the content insights for your backlink outreach. Review the details carefully to identify potential backlink opportunities. Make notes of high-performing articles and their corresponding publishers. This information will help you craft targeted outreach emails. With your insights in hand, initiate your backlink outreach strategy. Remember, a personalized approach often yields the best results. Utilize the insights to inform your messaging and follow-up strategy. This concludes the process for downloading BuzzSumo content insights for backlink outreach. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.